Welcome back. We're at it again here at Alley 26. This is another episode in our ongoing Mixology at Home series. Today we're gonna make a drink called the Banana Daiquiri. Now, there's a lot of like, ooh, what is that kind of thing going on around the Banana Daiquiri? There are two major schools of thought. And the first one is, or the most common one these days, is something big and ridiculous that might go in a hurricane glass. It's frozen bananas, it's rum, it's delicious. We're not talking about that one in this episode. We are talking about more of an actual daiquiri with a light little hint of banana on the edge. So for the purposes of this segment, we're gonna do that one, the more like traditional lime daiquiri flavor profile with a little hint of banana. And then in another future installment, maybe you go ahead and subscribe now, and that way it'll just pop up for you. We'll also do the frozen guy in this one. So here we go. Remember, it's a daiquiri, which is a rum drink flavored originally with just lime and sugar. So we're going to replace the sugar with our house-made Alley 26 banana syrup, which we made with bananas. So like all our syrups, we turn it upside down a few times to make sure everything's integrated. We're going to use 1/2 ounce of our banana syrup. I really like our syrup a lot. It's got kind of a strange rummy funk to the nose already. We didn't use any rum, but it just has that. And then 1/2 ounce of lime. And then 2 ounces of rum. Now, if you want to really showcase the classic Cuban kind of version, you'd reach for a white rum. I'm going to use this Haitian rum, Barbancourt, because it's got a little funk to it. It's got a little pizzazz, a little, personality, if you will, and I kind of like that. And it also has a little funk on the nose, which goes really well with the banana. So 2 ounces of this. Couldn't be simpler. This is definitely going to be a delicious rummy drink. Simply shake your drink. Aggressively. Nice. Pour that straight into a chilled glass. Now I like the glass that's right about the correct size for the drink. So this is a 5.5 ounce coupe. If you get the bigger the glass you get, the more tempted you are to fill it up with more stuff. And I like more than one drink in an evening, so keep a smaller glass sometimes. It helps you enjoy more than one cocktail. Lastly, a garnish. You can use a fresh lime wheel, a lime slice. I don't like to use slices in this instance or wedges, because people will squeeze the lime in before they taste the drink, and they'll be like, it's really limey, where, it's just like I don't leave salt and pepper on my kitchen table when I'm serving guests, because if they want it more salty, we can salt it, but try not to give them the idea that it needs it. There's a dehydrated bit of lime, so you add the pretty factor without mucking up my drink. Enjoy the Banana Daiquiri.